purpose of this video is to show you how to set up your blog on blogger.com. The first thing I want you to do is go to blogger.com. You are going to create an account using your school Gmail login. Blogger is a Google tool, so your logins will work simultaneously. Once you get to blogger.com and you create your account, your screen should look something like this. Now, if it doesn't look like this, and just follow the prompts and walk through the wizard until you get here. I am in my son's account right now so that I can show you how to set up a new blog. You're going to go over here and click on New Blog, and then you need to find a title for your blog and an address. Typically, the address and the title will go together, and you're going to want to try some different things to make sure that the address is available. The title will be what shows up at the top of your blog. The address is the URL or web address that you will share with me and with others so that we can read your blog. So for example, I might put in Teacher Talk, and it'll say, sorry, this blog address is not available. So then I'll try something else. Maybe I'll try On the Job. Not available. So maybe now I'll try Bird on the Job. This address is available, so I go, okay, I like that, and maybe I'll make my title also Bird on the Job. Here's the templates that you can choose from. You can choose the template. You can change the template later, and you can also change the title later, but you will not be able to change the address, so make sure it's something that you like. After you have all these things set, go ahead and click on Create Blog. I'm going to hit Cancel for right now, and I'm going to actually switch over to my blog instead of my son's. This shows you an example of what it will look like when you're all done. This is the title, Bird's Business, and this is an example of a post, When I Grow Up. Here's an example of another post called Future of Technology. These are things that you can customize later. I have this running slideshow over here with some classroom photos that I've taken. I have a link to my Twitter account. And then you'll notice over here it shows all of my posts. If you want to go back to my very first post, you could do that back in 2010. I need to actually sign out of my son's now and get into my account so I can show you how to post your very first blog post. So I'm going to sign in. You'll notice here that I do have multiple blogs. Once yours gets set up and you go behind the scenes, this is what yours will look like. This orange button here is how you create a brand new post. So that's where you're going to want to go the very first time you want to create a post. And then you put the post title up here, and then you can type whatever it is you are supposed to write about. So your first one you might call Handshake, and then this is all about me, and I'm following the instructions in my first assignment. You can link things within your blog. You just have to do click on some highlighted text, click link, and you'd put in the web address. You could add pictures if you'd like right here by saying insert image, and then you can upload them. Those might be things that you'll be called upon to do later, so please keep those in mind. At any time then, you can go preview what it looks like, and when you're all done, you can hit publish. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to publish this. And this is where all of my different posts show up. So you can come back and you can look at these again, and if I go, oh, I didn't quite get done, I can click edit. I could view it, or I could share it with others, or obviously this one I'm going to come back later and I'm going to delete. So if I go to view, it will actually take me out to my full blog, and there you see the handshake post that I just did. I'm going to go back here to design and posts. and I can come back here and make any more edits that I might want to do. All right, that's how you get it set up and create your first blog post. So if you have any questions, make sure that you ask.